This is so good. Sausage. Just tiny bit. Hi everyone, happy Sunday morning. Welcome back to my channel Savor with Neil, where we savor food and experiences together. And it's Sunday morning. I figured let's do a brunch meal. I'm pretty hungry. I have my laundry going on in the background. So just in case you hear the loud noises, it's my laundry going on. Okay, first things first, let's make some coffee. I have my steel French press here. Alright, I'm gonna boil some water. Alright, for our brunch meal, let's do, I still have these two sausages. They're chicken sausages. They're actually pretty good. It's like spinach feta. Oh, it's kind of dripping a bit, so I'll go like this. Just in case you guys can see it, spinach feta. You just need to brown it. Is that a, you just need to brown it. I don't even think that's a word. And then let's make some eggs as well. Let's get a skillet. Oh shit, this one is dirty, so let me just quickly clean this. Today's pretty much just an errands day. I want to just do some videos to edit and then to post, and also after that I want to start a website as well to post my recipes, and then after that I'm gonna head to the gym, and then that's my Sunday. I'm thinking of maybe making another video because I did make some various ramen yesterday, and I figured like the leftover birria chicken I can turn into like birria tacos. So I'm thinking about that. So maybe that's what we're gonna have for dinner, okay? And then I'll be filming that as well later. Alright? For my friends that don't cook often, do you reserve your Sundays for cooking days as well? I know some of my friends do that. Like usually Sundays are for, you know, the family days, for people coming over or going to families' houses or families' homes. It's pretty much fall here now in Toronto. It's like October, and I'm very excited actually for fall season because of the soup season. Love soup, so definitely want to be working on some soup recipes for you guys. Oh, right, water's boiling. Okay, so let's do. So I have my ground coffee here. I usually have 3 tablespoons. I like my coffee strong. And then just put in some water. Hot boiling water. Only thing though is we ran out of oat milk, so I'm gonna have to drink my coffee black, which is okay. Oh, my laundry's done. Woohoo! You know when you've like completed like, you know, your task like throughout the day, and you're just crossing off your list, it just feels like that, like, you know, you get like mini wins during the day. So I don't know if it's just me like that thinks like that, or yeah, or am I just weird? But anyway, all right, okay, so we can have our coffee. I usually brew it for at least 10 minutes and then we savor it. All right, so now for the brunch. Oh, look, my dad put the fruits here because I think it was just really sunny there on the table. So it's like a nice little decor over here. Actually, I might actually keep it like that, but we'll see. Anyway, so let's start cooking. Oh, let's do some veggies, okay? Okay, and oh, this one is ripe. We'll also have some toast as well, okay? I've just grabbed some onions, peeled the onions already, and then jalapeno, just to mix with with our. You know what? I think let's do an omelet. So I'm just gonna cut the sausage into bite pieces and then mix in some onions and jalapeno, and then eggs, and then we have toast on the side, and then some fruits and avocado as well, perhaps on the toast, and we're good to go. Okay. Just gonna wash these. I'm gonna heat up my skillet, medium heat. I figured if you're unsure of anything, just go for medium heat. I think that's a pretty okay rule to go by. Okay, we have some butter here. Okay, I'm just gonna cut some of the onions. And I think it was too much, so I'll put some leftover back in the fridge. And we have jalapenos. Jalapeno? Is it jalapeno or jalapeno? I don't know. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And yeah, jalapeno. Jalapeno? Jalapeno or jalapeno? No, wait. Jalapeno. No, jalapeno. It's definitely not. Jalapeno, jalapeno. Jalapeno, jalapeno, jalapeno. Okay. I don't know. Of course, we'll do extra because I do love it spicy. All right. Looks like it's hot. So let's put it in. And then we have our sausages. And then I'm just gonna cut them like this. There you go. I'm gonna move over here just so that you guys can see. All right, that's done. All right, let's move over here so you guys can see. All right, so just until the onion turns brown, then we can put in the sausages, okay? All right, guys, that looks good. Onions turning, they're both turning golden brown, so add the sausage, okay? Oh yeah, look at that, guys. That's the color that you want, golden brown. Okay, just a few more seconds. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna toast my one bread, okay? And then I'm just gonna put in my egg. Just put that in. Put some pepper. And just mix, all right? All right, and that's good. We're done. That was quick and easy, guys. Look how quick and easy that was. All right, guys. This is all for me. My dad had breakfast already, so. Then I'm gonna put my toast here. Just cut this. Okay, I'm just cutting the avocado slices on there to go in. Grab all the avocado. For my avocado toast, I usually put some olive oil on it, just a tiny bit. Okay, and a bit of salt as well. Just a tiny bit, okay? All right, and need some hot sauce. So we have Frank's Red Hot, so I'm gonna put some of that on there. Just on like one side, just in case. There we go. All right, but first let's have some coffee. I need my coffee, all right? Okay, let's grab some coffee. Let's enjoy our coffee, okay? Nice. All right, time to savor. Let's go. All right. All right, let's savor, guys. Cheers. Some jalapeno there. Some eggs. Cheers, guys. Happy Sunday. The chicken sausages are great. This chicken sausages actually also feta and spinach in them, so it's already tasty the way it is. And then we have our avocado toast. Let's have some ketchup. All right. It's a great breakfast for like a busy packed Sunday, so I know I'll have the energy for today. This is really, really nice, and I have my coffee. Life's good. All right, guys, I'm like smiling. This is so good, actually. The sausages, chicken sausages with the spinach feta and the eggs, onions, jalapeno, jalapeno, avocado toast, and coffee, and then probably have some grapefruit later. So, alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you are enjoying my videos. If you do, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and have you guys an amazing Sunday, and we'll talk soon, okay? And just remember guys, keep savoring you, okay? Alright, see you guys.